I'm gonna call Domino's Pizza right now and prank phone call with the Joker voice. So I hope you enjoy it. Put on speaker.
Thank you for calling Domino's. Carry under delivery.
This is gonna be a pickup, please.
Okay, what would you like?
Yes. What kind of pizza do you guys have? What's your favorite kind of pizza?
Mine is a pan pizza.
A pan pizza? What flavor do you like?
I like the garlic parm with chicken and bacon.
Chicken and bacon. I don't know. I don't know about the chicken part. I'm kind of a vegetarian. I care about the animals. So, do you guys have any like vegan pizzas or?
I don't know, but what's that?
Gluten-free? Yeah, that sounds pretty good. Do you guys have thick crust or thin crust?
We have both, I guess.
Both? Alright. This is such a tough decision, you know? Oh, gosh. You know, I think I'm gonna call Pizza Hut instead. I'm sorry. I don't like the selections here.
Alright, have a good night.
Thanks, you too.